Hey everyone, we're back with a daily update on FTX and trading out tokenized stocks. I just made another video on how tough it's to be a YouTuber and trader in my country. Make sure to look for it and watch it. But let's get to the update. I'm using the exchange FTX, link down in the description, to do tokenized stock trading on. We're currently trading 4 different stocks, and doing it through FTX makes it a lot easier to trade it. So let's get to them and make sure we update them and see where we're currently standing. The first one we're trading is Tesla Doge. The benefit of trading it on exchange, you get the opportunity to trade stocks against crypto as well. Not all of them is against crypto, but there is some that makes the opportunity worthwhile looking at trading it against a crypto. For example, Tesla Doge. As you can see on this chart, we're seeing multiple blue and red arrows. What does blue and red arrows mean? It means it's the buy and sell opportunity that was generated. Now, I personally don't close a trade if it's not a profit. So, as you can see, I had quite a few trades giving me profits as the market moves up and down. Now, looking at this current chart of Tesla Doge, since yesterday's update, we basically moved a little bit sideways. We came close to getting profit right over here, but it didn't trigger. Looking on my Excel sheet of where my trades are supposed to be, our Tesla Doge didn't move much, and currently everything is in place. We move to our trading view chart, giving us signals. We can see it came close to giving us profit and went back down. So currently, the Tesla Doge should be well in place. We can make sure on our alerts as well. We can see both alerts is perfectly set up. Let's move to the next one. It's our SPY trade. Now SPY is 500 small companies built into one. Looking at it, also a bit of sideways movements. Not much happening. The market is dumping. It came close to profit here as well, as the SEC is having their announcement meeting. What will happen and what will it do to the markets? Will inflation keep on going up? Will interest rates get raised again? Looking at my Excel sheet, we should have free sell take profits in place, and we're perfectly on target with our SPY trade as well. Now, I started this about 4 to 5 weeks ago, and every week I'm adding one more tokenized stock. We'll have a look at that list as well now. But first, let's go through the next two. Our third stock we're trading is Amazon. Now, the main reason why we chose to trade Amazon was due to the fact the 20-to-1 split. In my opinion, that should have generated the opportunity for the market to go up, because now you can buy Amazon stock for cheap. Yes, if you bought it up at the $2,400 price, you would have gotten 20 stock shares right now, but it is an opportunity. Looking at this chart, our buy limit order is gone. That means we need to put in a sell take profit and a new buy limit order. Let's look at Amazon. We can see our buy limit order did trigger. The yellow line is our buy limit order. That triggered. That means we need to put in a new sell take profit and add a new buy limit order according to our trading. Let's get back to this. Our buy limit order will take profit. We'll start with our take profit sell limit order. Our take profit is going to be at $112 because our entry was at $108.80. The amount of Amazon we're trading per trade is 0.231. You can put in our sell and it will pop up. So our sell take profit is in place. Now we're going to put our buy limit order. And according to my mathematical calculation, our buy limit order is going to be at $103.60. We're buying 0.23 Amazon. so we can place our buy limit order. As you can see, our buy limit is in place and our sell take profits. I'm taking 3% profit on every trade I'm doing. We can go to trading view and we can just readjust our lines and put our alerts back up so we know exactly which trades did trigger and which one did not. We're still only trading a few different stocks on the tokenized stocks, so we can run through them pretty easily and see what's happening with which one. 12. Our latest entry was at 108. So we can put our alerts. Our alert is going to be at 103.60. That's going to be our new buy limit order. And our new take profit alert going to be at $112. That puts our Amazon in place and ready to move. And the final one we're going to look at is Google. We only have one sell take profit in place and our buy limit order is missing. If we go over to trading view, we can see our buy limit order did trigger. So we're going to add a new one right here according to my calculations. That means this is becoming our next sell profit. That's in place, and this is our latest entry. We can put our alerts in place. For sell and now for buy limit. So our trading view chart is updated and in place. All we need to do is put in our sell take profit, which will be at 2352.5. The amount of Google we're trading per trade is 0.012. And our buy limit is going to be at, our next entry is going to be at 2188.8. So that's all our tokenized stock updated. All 4 different pairs we're currently trading in place and ready to move on. Now let's go back to the markets and just look at all the different tokenized stocks. There are quite a few to choose from. Now, which one should I be adding next? Leave me your thoughts and comments down below. Which stock should be next on my list? And please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. If you want to trade the tokenized stocks, make sure to look at the FTX link down in the description. They're making it easy, and FTX just keeps on expanding. Have a great one and enjoy the tokenized stock profits.